Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Myself Sudarshan Acharya. Today we are going to discuss assignment 22. In that 5 exercise 567 problems. So in that the sum of the squares of two positive integers 208. If the square of larger is what 18 times of smaller one. Find the numbers. So we don't know the smaller one. So that is x. Larger one is y. Smaller number is x and larger number is y I am taking. So according to the problem, x square plus y square is equal to 208. Sum of squares of numbers is 208 is given. It's the equation 1. And the larger one, square of larger one means y square is equal to, it's 18 times of smaller one, 18x. So it is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2 we can write x square plus 18x is equal to 208. 208. So x square plus 18x minus 208 is equal to 0. Now taking 208 factors, here 2 1s are 0, 4, 2 5s are 2 2s are, next to 2 26. So it is can be written as x square plus 18x can be written as 26x. 26x minus 8x minus 8x 208 is equal to 0. Now x taking common, x plus 26 minus 8 taking common, x plus 26 is equal to 0. In that x minus 8 factor and one more x plus 26 is a factor. So therefore x is equal to 8 1, x is equal to minus 26. From equation 2, so substitute or put x is equal to 8 in equation 2, then y square is equal to 18 into x. 18 into x means 18 into 8. So y square is equal to 8 8 is 64, 8 144. Y is equal to square root of 144 means y is equal to 12. So here x is equal to 8, then y is equal to 12. So next here the negative, here the numbers are what positive, we should take x 8, y is equal to 12. Now John and Jahnavi together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles. Okay, so each. So then the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. Find out how many marbles they had to start with. We don't know the number of marbles with John and Jahnavi. So here marbles with John. Number of marbles with John, here x taking and marbles with Jahnavi, that is y. So both together 45 marbles are there. Means according to the problem, x plus y is equal to 45. Here y is equal to 45 minus x. It's a equation 1. It is equation 1. Now they lost 5 marbles each. Means according that x minus 5 into product is given y minus 5 and product is given 124. 124 is given. Now here x minus 5 into it y means from equation 1 45 minus x minus 5 is equal to 124. In this multiply here x minus 5 into here 45 minus 5 means 40 minus x is equal to 124. Multiply 40x minus x square minus 4 5 is 200 minus into minus plus 5x is equal to 124. Now here this complete terms taken to right side. So minus x square taken to right means plus x square. Next 40x 5x. 45x taken to right means minus 45x. Minus 45x. Now this 200 taken to right side means plus 200 plus 124 is equal to 0. Now x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. Here factorize 324. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja 2 2 ja, next 2 8 ja, 327 ja, next here 4 4 ja, 2 to the 4 4 3 ja 12, 3 9 ja, so 9 4 ja 36, here minus 9 means it is can be written as this is what 4 4 9 ja 36, so here minus 9, so here minus this is can be written as minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 is equal to 0. In this x common, x minus 36 minus 9 taking common x minus 36 is equal to 0. Now x minus 36 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 36 and x is equal to 9. So here with John the number of marbles 36 or 9. If John having 36 marbles, then substitute these two values in the equation 1. From equation 1, put x is equal to 36 in equation 1. So with John, y is equal to 45 minus 36, y is equal to 9. If 36 marbles contain John, so John having 9 marbles. And put x is equal to 9 in equation 1, then y is equal to 45 minus 9, y is equal to 36. These are the solutions of equations. Next, find two consecutive numbers whose squares have the sum is what 85. Two consecutive numbers. So here note the consecutive numbers. So we should take the numbers. Let the numbers x comma x plus 1 consecutive. One is x, one is x plus 1. So square of here two whose square have the sum that is 85 means x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 85. Now x square a plus b whole square based on this x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 85. Now 2x square plus 2x take 85 to left side 1 plus 1 minus 85 is equal to 0. Now 2x square plus 2x minus 84 is equal to 0. In this 2 is taking common x square plus x minus 42 is equal to 0. So now x square, this is can be written as 7x minus 6x minus 42 is equal to 0. Now x taking common x plus 7 minus 6 taking common x plus 7 is equal to 0. Here x plus 7 is taking factor. X plus 7 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now each one is 0 means x plus 7 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 7, and x minus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to 6. So the numbers here taking what x is equal to. Therefore the numbers are minus 7 comma minus 6, or if you take x equal to 6, 6 comma plus 7, 6 plus 1 7. These are the solutions of equation. Thank you.